World Population Day, observed annually on July 11, takes on special significance in 2024 with the theme Leave No One Behind, Count Everyone. This global observance aims to raise awareness about population issues and their impact on socio-economic development, environmental sustainability, and individual well-being. UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres emphasized the importance of this year's theme, highlighting the crucial role of data collection in understanding issues, tailoring solutions, and driving progress. He urged countries to leverage the upcoming Summit of the Future to secure affordable capital for sustainable development. The focus on data collection aligns with the concept of population census, which is a comprehensive process of gathering demographic, economic, and social data. In India, the census has a rich history, dating back to ancient times with evidence of population counts in the Rig Veda and the Kautilya's Arthashastra. Modern census efforts in India began in the 19th century with the first complete city census conducted in Dhaka, now Dhaka, in 1830. Since 1881, India has conducted regular decennial censuses, with the most recent one in 2011. The next census, originally scheduled for 2021, was postponed due to COVID-19 pandemic and is now expected after the 2024 general election. The Indian census, conducted by the Office of the Registrar General and Census Commissioner, is one of the world's largest administrative exercises. It provides invaluable data for various purposes such as research and demographic analysis, government planning and policy making, constituency demarcation and political representation, business planning and market access strategies. As we commemorate World Population Day in 2024, the importance of comprehensive and accurate data collection cannot be overstated. It is crucial for addressing population challenges, ensuring sustainable development, and truly leaving no one behind in our collective progress.